The new 5-axis radial machining strategy is a highlight and is particularly suitable for bottle molds or similar cavities. Thanks to the radial projection method, this strategy generates a uniform infeed over the entire machining area, which is significantly reflected in the surface quality. The cycle is very easy to operate. The projection axis is defined by a center line, and the main direction of the projection is controlled by a radial reference line. In this example, the reference line falls vertically downwards. Here in the blue feedback, the radial area is shown. In the Parameters tab, you can limit this range by specifying angles. 95 degrees in both directions is defined. For example, if you change the end angle to 45 degrees, the range is reduced. Back in the Strategy tab, you can find different infeed strategies. By default, along the axis is selected, but other strategies, such as radial, can be also selected. If we select radial and at the same time limit the axial machining area by defining start and end points, only the area within the 2 points will be machined. Under the 5-axis settings, the parameters for machining with fixed position or interpolation can be set. If machining direction is axial and the fixed tilt setting is selected for the axial inclination, the tilt is held for one machining cut and is only changed with the next infeed. This timed infeed for each machining step enables a very high surface quality. Furthermore, areas can be also limited by boundary curves, and the high precision surface mode can be activated under the Settings tab.